I'm going to try something different this morning for breakfast. I'm getting a little tired of oatmeal every day. I mean, oatmeal's good, tastes good, it's nutritious, but every once in a while you need to just break up the monotony. I've got a large bowl to mix the ingredients in. The first ingredient is 1/3 cup heaping of powdered milk. Now, of course, if I was doing this in Wisconsin, I would use farm fresh milk, but the next thing we do is we sprinkle in a little bit of sugar. Not too much, not too little. And then we dust it with cinnamon. You may be already guessing what I'm going to be making. Well, let's sort of mix this up a little bit. Now for the next ingredient, just slightly less than 1/3 cup of water. And let's mix this all together. And the last ingredient to this mixture is 2 large eggs. And of course we have to emulsify that in the mixture. Now we can prepare for the next part. We're going to need 4 slices of bread. It's best if you use bread that's slightly dry but not too dry. Now if you'll excuse me, I have to pull up my 8-inch frying pan. Just need to spray on some cooking lubrication. And then heat up the pan. But I'm going to adjust the flame to about medium. You don't want to burn the breakfast I'm having. Now that the pan has been warmed up, comes the gooey part. Take a piece of bread, coat it, drain it a little bit, and put it in the pan. Lovely sizzling sound. Now this only takes about a minute each side. It's not easy to determine when to flip the bread, but eventually you understand it. There's the first piece. The first ingredient to that is a slice of butter. And repeat. Another piece of bread. Coat both sides. Drain. And let it sizzle. Another slice of French toast. And another slice of butter. Slice number 4. Of course, French toast by itself isn't really enough, so got 4 sausages to go along with that. And French toast is nothing unless there is some real maple syrup smothering the thing. With winter being rather chilly in the morning, let's have something to drink that's nice. How about a little spiced apple cider? A nice steaming cup. And to make it nutritional, we'll have a nice fruit cup along with that. Delicious.